Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Delhi police in Goa to trace main accused in Geetika suicide case Gopal Kanda. Police in search of Kanda's key man called Jain trace multiple affairs of Kanda in Goa. House committee probing police drug mafia nexus meets on Friday. Decides to rope in Home Secretary, DGP to trace links of Roy Naik with drug mafia. CM denies any permissions granted for Sunburn party in Goa. Government will not be responsible for any money loss of tickets, says Parrikar. Chogole College set to host inter-college football tournament and cycle rally as part of Golden Jubilee celebrations. And continuous and comprehensive evaluation policy boosts Don Bosco High School's sports experiment. Now the news in detail. Main accused in Geetika suicide case, Gopal Kanda's links with Goa are giving a different turn to the whole case. Delhi police are in Goa to trace Kanda following a crucial lead in the case. Highly placed sources have revealed that one of Kanda's prime men, namely Jain, is also under police scanner. Jain used to look after all the business deals of Kanda. Police are interrogating two ladies called Ankita and Nupur, who were associates of the MLA in Goa.
Geetika Sharma committed suicide at her Delhi residence on 5th of August. She was looking after company's Mint Cruise casino operations in Goa in 2009. MDLR had brought over the offshore casino Rio in Goa owned by the Leela Group and had renamed it Mint Cruise Casino. The casino is currently up for sale. Sources say Geetika was at the level of a director at MDLR's casino. Everyone knew of her close connection with Kanda. They travelled to Goa together. Initially, she was based at Mint Club Casino at Arpora and later was associated with the Mint Cruise Casino. Geetika left MDLR's casino operations 3 years back. The casino was later shut down, leaving employees jobless. In the suicide note, Geetika had stated that Kanda has an illegal relationship with women. The woman is based in Goa. She earlier resided in Porvorim but was later gifted a bungalow at Talegaon. Sources say Kanda had gifted 2 flats to a lady at Talegaon. One flat was accommodating parents of the lady. Kanda had relation with one more lady. The second lady was given a flat at Donapaul. Geetika's suicide note had named Haryana's former and absconding minister Kanda and another person, Aruna Chadda. On this backdrop, the team of Delhi police is inquiring whether there are any links to suicide from Goa. Delhi police team visited Talegaon on Friday to interrogate the women. But highly placed sources say that police are on a lookout for one of Kanda's managers, namely Jain. Police suspect that Jain was in complete know of all illicit activities of Kanda. They also feel that if they get to Jain, he will lead them to absconding Kanda. Intense search is on to trace these henchmen of the MLA. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Meeting of the House Committee on Police Drug Mafia Nexus case is scheduled on 14th August. House Committee will seek help of Home Secretary and DGP for vital inputs in the case. Sources informed that a meeting resolved on how to go ahead with the inquiry. Parrikar had assured on the floor of the House to re-investigate Roy Naik's involvement in the drug nexus case.
A meeting of House Committee was held on Friday at PAC Hall at Secretariat. The committee is headed by Nuve MLA Miki Pacheco. Other MLAs present for the meeting were Lavu Mamledar, Vishnu Wag, Michael Lobo, Kaitan Silva and Legislature Secretary N. Subedar. But as per the sources, the meeting discussed further steps to go ahead with the inquiry.
This was a preliminary meeting.
Any decision?
There's nothing decision. We have to see plan. We can't disclose now. When you will come to know only when the final conclusion. Okay? Someone because
Assembly Roy now meeting discussion.
Home Minister Manohar Parrikar had assured to reinvestigate the police drug mafia nexus case and find out whether Roy Naik is involved in the drugs trade. Miki Pacheco had raised this issue in the assembly. Sources say that committee also decided to seek cooperation of Home Secretary and DGP in the matter. Senior reporter Lokik Chilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent Media.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has clarified that he has not received any applications for permission to Sunburn party. Parrikar said that the government wouldn't be responsible for the loss of ticket money if any permission is denied. Sunburn has opened sale of tickets on their website. He also clarified that the organizers have met him, but nothing has been decided regarding granting of permissions.
माझ्याकडे त्यांच्या अजूनपर्यंत रिटर्न काहीच येऊन ना हांवें दिवन ना लास्ट मोमेंट हांव दिवचो ना
ऑनलाइन बुकिंग
हांव रवी नायक न्हय जालो विशय आनी त्या पेक्षा इफ दे आर इंटरेस्टेड दे हॅव टू कम विथ फॉर्मल एप्लिकेशन इन एडवांस
हैव नॉट रिसीव्ड एनी
he
एप्लीकेशन
has met me but that doesn't mean the permission is granted. They have to take
हाउ डिड दिस स्टार्ट बुकिंग
you ask them, ask their customers.
सदा आमची पंजी ग्रुप
How can I answer that? As far as I am concerned, permission has to be, such matters has to be given at least 1 month before. So they have to come approach. If they approach, you will consider. At that moment I can tell you, I can't tell you now. If he has booked a ticket and tomorrow government does not give permission, you will have to refund to the person or face the criminal charges.
Will you all allow?
No comment on some application which has not been received. Why should I comment on that?
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.